So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I'm going to type here 1F6B7. Okay, type like this, 1F6B7. I can see in my keyboard this is the alt key and this is the S key. So I put one of my finger in this alt key and another in this S key. So if I press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this symbol have been added, that is the no pedestrians are allowed, and that is the traffic sign showing no pedestrians have been we have created using this keyboard shortcut. And suppose if you want to change the color also, you can simply select from here, and from here you can choose the color that you want, or even you can add this. For more videos you can subscribe and listen online. Thank you.